Be prepared for any outdoor adventure with the NAKC NM30W rechargeable LED headlamp and 88,405, your ultimate lighting solution. With 12 lighting modes, it's easy to adjust the brightness and focus to match your specific needs, whether you're cooking, reading, or exploring. The red warning light is perfect for signaling others in your group during emergencies without disturbing your night vision. Hands-free convenience with the built-in motion sensor to turn the light on or off with just a wave of your hand. Switch from spotlight to floodlight with adjustable focus whether you're pinpointing a task or illuminating your entire campsite. This headlamp has you covered. With a robust aluminum alloy body and an IP65 waterproof rating, this headlamp is built to last, even in the toughest outdoor conditions. Quick charging for 2 to 6 hours and keep your devices powered up with the emergency power bank feature. Stay connected while you explore the great outdoors. Don't wait, come to our website and try it out.